Meet the 2024 Golden Digital New Artist of the Year nominees, also known as the New Artist of the Year category. These rising stars have taken the Zimbabwean music scene by storm with their fresh sound and standout hits. Meet Sean, Nisha TS, Chillmaster, Sora TMB, Oriano, Atenta Chinks, Mr. Candy, Delroy Shareware, Calvin Mangena, Runa Rules. These new artists have not only shown their potential, but have also climbed the charts, setting trends and representing the future of Zimbabwean music on a global stage. Which new artist do you think deserves the Golden Digital New Artist of the Year award? Let us know who you're rooting for in the comments. And don't forget to keep streaming their music across all platforms to support your favorite. See you soon at the ZIMMUSIC263 Online Music Awards on YouTube.